Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be doing something very useful. Spring Boot email sender, and we will be configuring Gmail SMTP, the Android the controller, and send real-time emails. So if you're into the backend development with Spring Boot, watch till the end, and let's dive into the coding. So here's the explanation. So the client is us. We are requesting the mail controller to send the mail. Inside the mail controller, we already have Java mail sender, in which we have already specified the subject or whomever we want to send the mail, and all the body and structure, which is then the mail controller execute, and using the SMTP server the mail will be sent. So that's what we have to do. So let's get started. So now if you see here, it says mail sent successfully, and we are not getting any errors right now. Earlier we did get an error because of the typo mistake in application properties, and this is the mail we got, like hello customer. This is a mail sent from the Spring Boot app. Let me focus it for you, and this is what we have sent in the controller.java. The same thing, hello customer. This is the mail sent from the Spring Boot app, and this is what we got. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, and turn on those bell notification for more content like this. Have a nice day.